Exercise 51, arc of a circle. Given that point A is the center of the circle, as shown, and that the length of arc DE, the red one, is 3/8 of the circumference of the circle, what is the measure of the central angle DAE in degrees? So we need to find the size of this angle over here. All you do need to remember, and you do need to bear deep in mind, is that everything in circles follows a proportion of central angles. What does that mean? This means that since this red arc is 3/8 of the entire circle's circumference, then the corresponding angle x will also be equal to 3/8 of 360 degrees. So x is basically 3/8 of 360. If I use Desmos for that, so 3/8 times 360, the answer is 135. So in our case, should be C.